First things first, I bought this husky shelving from Home Depot that I am going to assemble to move our totes that we currently are using to store any of our seasonal decor and things like that. I'm going to start by making room for this, and then I will be able to clear a lot of this clutter once I have this shelf and bins assembled. This isn't usually the order that I would do a project like this. Normally, I would just get everything out of this space, assess what I have, and then determine if I needed to purchase anything. But going into this project, a lot of our bins are broken, and I knew that I needed a new system for all that stuff. So that's why I'm starting with assembling the shelf. I had good intentions of being able to assemble this shelf by myself, but 5 minutes into it, it almost collapsed on my head. So I called in reinforcement and had my daughter help me with this, which actually ended up being a ton of fun. We assembled it wrong probably 3 times and had to redo it, and we had a lot of good laughs. So overall, this was pretty easy to assemble once we actually figured it out. Now that the shelving unit is assembled, I'm just quickly transferring anything from our old bins to the new bins and then putting everything on the shelves and getting things put away. This is the next day. This project was an entire weekend project. I worked on it solely by myself while my daughter helped me watch my 2 younger boys. And my husband is in the military and he had drill this weekend, so I did not have any help from him, which made this process a little bit harder because there was a lot of things that I was not able to move. Either they were too heavy or I just didn't know what to do with them. An hour and a half later, I finally have everything out of the garage and somewhat categorized into different groups, whether it's garbage, donate, things my husband has to go through, things like that. And before I leaf flow and wipe down everything, I'm just going to do a quick sweep because there's just a lot of trash and dog hair that I don't want to blow into everything that I just took out of the garage. All of these shelves have just random stuff on them. I'm not really sure what to do with, but I still want to wipe down all of these surfaces and kind of have a clean slate, reorganize. So I'm just putting everything from this area into a bin, and then my husband can go through some of the stuff that I'm not sure of once he gets home. Luckily, there is no rain in the forecast because this is where I'm leaving things at for this evening, and I will start strong again tomorrow. So make sure you stick around and watch part 2 of this project. I'll leave a link to that video below.